This YouTube channel has grown rapidly, going from 0 to over 400,000 subscribers in 7 months, generating more than $150,000 in revenue since its creation. The most popular video has reached the impressive figure of 21 million views, while another video has garnered 14 million. The videos on this channel tell stories of historical figures using mainly shorts created with the help of AI, featuring captivating images designed to grab the attention of millions of viewers. I must say, these videos are as engaging as they are easy to create. And today, if you have the patience to watch this video till the end, you will have all the knowledge you need to start your own automated YouTube channel. We will literally do everything, from creating the channel, to designing the logo, to writing the script, and of course to creating our first video together, showing you the best AI tools to use and how to make the most of them. To demonstrate, here's a short clip of the video I managed to create in about half an hour, which is better than the video Stellar Sagas uploaded that got over 14 million views. There are 5 parts to creating the actual video, but I will also reveal a final tip at the end of the video that I learned from managing multiple faceless YouTube channels. People usually pay thousands of dollars for this information, buying courses from so-called gurus that often serve no purpose other than to fill their own pockets. I will do it for free, so make sure to listen. First, we need to create a channel. Go to your YouTube studio and create a channel. Go to the right side, click on the profile icon, then on Switch Account, and at the bottom on View All Channels. Now click on Create a Channel. Choose a name for the channel. Go to ChatGPT and ask for 10 possible names for your channel. Now choose the name you like, copy and paste it into the name field, and create a suitable username. Then ask ChatGPT to suggest the best keywords for the channel. Finally, ask it to provide the channel description based on its name and the keywords it suggested, adding some emoticons. Once done, paste everything into your bio, and now we are ready to create our logo. To create a logo, we will use Leonardo AI. Go to the site, log in with your Google account, click on Image Creation, switch to Legacy Mode, enable Photo Real, and choose a 1:1 aspect ratio. Use the prompt mid-shot of a marble statue of a young athletic Greek god. Hyper-realistic. Download the image. Now go back to YouTube Studio and simply upload your logo. For the banner, go to Canva. Click on Create a Project, and in the search field, type YouTube banner, then click on the YouTube banner text that appears. On the left, choose a banner that suits your needs and customize it to your liking. Once done, download it and upload it to your channel. Well, we are finally ready to move on to the video creation process. To begin, we need an idea and a script. For the idea, I recommend starting by taking inspiration from other YouTube videos that are performing well. For this example, I will go with the same idea as the reference video with 14 million views, namely, iconic last words of history's famous leaders. Copy the URL and go to tactic.io. Under Products, AI Tools, YouTube Transcript, paste the link of the video. Click on Copy, paste it into ChatGPT, and rewrite this script, make it copyright-free, remove the numbers, and click Generate. Now we have our script. Next, we need to generate the images, and we will use Leonardo AI for this. We can use ChatGPT to write the prompts to generate the images with Leonardo AI. In this video, there are 4 famous historical figures: Julius Caesar, Alexander the Great, Augustus, and Napoleon. I want to create 3 images for each character. So I write on ChatGPT that I want 3 prompts for each character. If I don't like the prompts, I simply write again and click Generate. Since Julius Caesar's story is an assassination, Leonardo AI might not create images whose prompts contain inappropriate words. So I write on ChatGPT, again but without words, that a software like Leonardo AI would censor, such as stabbed or assassination. Here are the 12 prompts. We just need to go to Leonardo AI, log in with our Google account, click on Image Generation, switch to Legacy Mode. Make sure to use Photo Real, and in the drop-down menu, choose Cinematic. The aspect ratio is set to 16:9 by default. To invert it, just click on the 2 arrows. We can choose how many images to create with the software. If we had instead maximized both the width and height of the image, then choosing 9:16, we could have created only 1 image. Here, the choice is yours. We enter the first prompt and add hyper-realistic at the end, and I'd say the result is excellent. Save it and proceed with the other prompts to get all the necessary images. Next, we need to animate these images to make our video much more interesting and engaging. There are free and paid options. In other tutorials, I've seen some suggest adding a zoom with Canva, some animating the images with Leonardo AI's motion videos, others using Runway ML, a good image-to-video software. But if you really want to take the quality of your videos to the next level, you have to use only the best, and I'm here for that. After much research and after trying many image-to-video software that were supposed to be the Sora killer, I'm talking about Hyper, Pika, Pixverse, Vidu, Google's VO, Kling, I found the best image-to-video software, And no, it's not Sora, and most importantly, it's available now. But for commercial use, you have to subscribe to a paid plan. It's called Dream Machine by Luma. The basic plan costs $29.99 a month, and it's simply fantastic. After you subscribe, upload an image, click on the arrow, and wait a couple of minutes for the magic to happen. It creates small videos of about 5 seconds of fantastic quality. Repeat the process for all the images and download the videos. Now we need to generate the voiceover, and we will use 11 Labs. If you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to leave a like and a comment so we can push the algorithm. It really helps me a lot. Go to 11labs.io, click on Voices, and search for Marcus, the best voice for this type of video by far. Add it to your voice lab. I've already done it. Click on Speech Synthesis, select Marcus as the narrator, paste the script, and generate the voiceover. Download it, and let's move on to the next step. One of the most important things for these types of videos is the music. Go to Epidemic Sounds. There is a 7-day free trial. Type keywords like epic in the search, and you will find many great songs. I found one perfect for this video. The next step is editing, for which we will use an excellent free software, namely CapCut. Import all the videos, the voiceover, and the audio you chose. On the right, go to Edit, and in the window that appears, give a name to the project. But most importantly, in aspect ratio, choose 9:16, which is the format of a short. Arrange the created videos in the timeline. Besides the 12 videos, I have also taken 4 more as an intro, 1 for each character. Insert the voiceover and, according to the words, I shortened the first 4 videos accordingly and matched the voiceover with the right video, shortening it where necessary. Use CapCut transitions to make the video fantastic, but choose only the simplest ones, as we don't want to distract the viewers. Use the mix transition, click on Apply to All, and let's move on. As filters, add Clear to and lower the intensity to 30%, just to add a bit of color to the images. Add the music and lower the volume so that it doesn't cover the voiceover around -12, and raise the voiceover to 2.5. You just need to add subtitles. Here, CapCut has a fantastic feature that is missing, for example, in Adobe Premiere, namely automatic subtitles. Just click on Captions, then on Auto Captions, and CapCut will create perfect subtitles for the entire video, grammatically correct. Place them in the center, at the bottom, change the text style by clicking on the T icon on the right and selecting the first of the preset styles. In animation, click on Captions, then on Frame Pop. Now, if we play the video again for a bit, you will see that it has much better subtitles. All that's left to do is export the video and download it, but this step is also very important. Once you click Export at the top right, you need to change the settings in the window that appears so that the video is of the highest possible quality. Choose 1080p in resolution and 60 FPS in frame rate, then wait a few minutes and download the video. You have officially created your first faceless video, and remember, the most important part is to stay consistent and surpass the quality of your competitors. Besides that, leave a like and a comment if you found this video useful, and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other tutorials like this and much more. Now let's take a look at the final product.
Iconic last words of history's famous leaders. When Julius Caesar Josephine